In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use group FaceTime on your iPhone. FaceTime is a fantastic way to connect with multiple people at once, whether it's for a virtual family gathering, a study session with classmates, or just a fun video call with friends. So let's dive into the steps to getting your group FaceTime set up and running smoothly. To kick things off, grab your iPhone and locate the FaceTime app. This is typically a green icon with a white video camera on it. Once you've found it, go ahead and tap on it to open the application. Now that you're in the app, the next thing you'll want to do is tap on the New FaceTime button. This is your starting point for initiating a new call, and it will lead you to a new screen where you can start adding participants. In the To field that appears, you'll need to enter the details of the people you want to include in this group call. You can do this by typing in their names, phone numbers, or Apple ID emails. If it's someone already saved in your contacts, entering their name will do the trick. Just make sure everyone you want to include is an Apple user, as FaceTime is a feature exclusive to Apple devices. It's important to note that you can add up to 32 participants in a single FaceTime call, which is fantastic for including multiple friends or colleagues. Ensure you've got everyone you want before heading to the next step, as it's always easier to add people beforehand than during the call. Once you've got your list of participants ready, go ahead and tap on FaceTime. This will initiate the group video or audio call. Remember, you can switch between video and audio and decide what works best for your group's needs or the quality of your internet connection. During the call, you have several interactive options to enhance your experience. Feel free to use memoji, stickers, or effects to add a personal touch to your conversation. If you need to share your screen, you can also do that, perfect for sharing photos or showing a quick demo of something. To access these features, simply tap on the screen to reveal the controls, and then tap on Effects. This is where you'll find all the fun additions to make your call more engaging. Now, if you've been invited to a group FaceTime, joining is straightforward. Just tap Join from the FaceTime notification, or navigate to the Messages thread where the invitation might also appear. And there you have it, a complete guide to setting up and managing group FaceTime on your iPhone. With these steps, you should be able to connect effortlessly with friends and family, bringing everyone a bit closer no matter where they are.